getting ready for a new year, thinking about the old year and how to welcome in the new. One of the things I like to do is repair things. And I've got my husband's pants here, and they have a patch in the knee that I ironed on a while back. But as you can see, it's starting to come off. I could re-iron it back on again, I suppose. But I think what I'll do is use my sewing machine and sew the patch back on. My sewing machine has this part that comes off, so it makes a area where you can sew sleeves or pant legs a little bit easier. I think what I'll do is I'll take the wide part of the pants and work its way over the wide part of the machine. I guess I kind of need the other side of it, don't I? Make my way over all the pockets. There might be an easier way to do this, but this is the way that I know. Again, I have to make sure that the material doesn't get too wadded up behind it as well. And then I'll do it again, a little bit closer to the seam here. Just straight across this time though. And then back stitch it. Cut off the ends on the inside, and then I think I will go down to the bottom side as well. But it seems like the top and the bottom are the ones that are coming undone, whereas for whatever reason the sides are staying put. Got to make sure there's no fabric stuffed underneath it that I'm sewing together. It may not be the prettiest job, but it will hold the knee patch on. And that's the whole purpose, is to have a knee patch that works. So I'm taking this just a little bit later because my husband came home and I was visiting with him, but I wanted to finish this out. So thanks for being with me today as I did a little sewing on my husband's pants, but I also have some of my own things that I've repaired, such as this sweater that I'm wearing. You can kind of tell there's a difference between what's going on there and what's going on here. They're like two different things because this sweater was too small for me. And so what I did was I cut the seam all the way down, and then I added another different red cashmere slice in there to create a sweater that did fit me. And I figure this is part of New Year for me, is taking what works in the old year and just kind of re-upping it so that it works for you in the next year. So we've got some good sturdy pants for my husband that will be able to kick around another year in his life, and a beautiful cashmere sweater that I have restyled, I guess that's the word for it. So here's to a good new year, a fresh start, and taking things that we enjoy and bringing them along with us, and then decluttering the things that no longer serve us. Thanks for being with me today, and thanks for watching Barb Talks.